WBAL TV 11 weather forecast with meteorologist Tony Pan.
Today will likely end up being the 8th day in a row with a high temperature at 90 and above for BWI. It might stay in the 80s in the northern suburbs, but I think especially Baltimore City South will get another 90-degree day. It's already 86 at the airport, 84 in Randallstown, it's 83 in Parkton at the top of the hour. Here's the weather setup. We've got a front stalled right across the Baltimore metro, and you can see the temperatures in the 90s south of the front and the 70s north of the front. Now the problem is it doesn't have much push to go down to the south, so it's going to stay stalled right on top of us. There's some dry air just north of us as well, but you see the dew points are in the 70s here. So with the front in the vicinity and some moisture in the atmosphere again, I think we're going to see a chance for showers and thunderstorms before things settle down at the end of the week. Now, it just depends on where that front decides to set up, but I think the best chance for rain is from Baltimore City on south, and that's where the flood watch is in effect that I showed you at the top of the show. There's nothing going on around Baltimore right now, so at least for the next 2 or 3 hours, I don't think you have to be concerned about thunderstorms. The best chance, I think, will actually be after 7 or 8 o'clock tonight. There's a wave of low pressure on that front that's coming across Kentucky and southern Ohio. You can see the showers and storms moving into West Virginia with that right now. As that gets closer to us, the chance for rain will go up. So let's take a look at our futurecast. We'll set it into this evening. Again, the best chance will be probably after 7 or 8 o'clock. You see the computer agrees here with the thunderstorms developing just west of us at around 9 o'clock this evening, and then that will sweep through. And some of that rain could be heavy, especially if you get underneath one of the bigger cells. Rainfall rates could be an inch or two an hour, but then it'll settle down going into tomorrow morning, and I think Thursday will be a much quieter day with just a slight chance for a shower or thunderstorm. Temperatures are still going to be near 90 until we hit the beginning of next week, but it will get better eventually. A mix of sun and clouds today, a chance for a thunderstorm this afternoon, best chance for rain tonight. High temperatures will range between 88 and 93 degrees. 7-day forecast, 30% chance for some rain tomorrow. It should be dry on Friday, but still hot with a high near 90. Scattered thunderstorms starting late Saturday and into Sunday with a cold front. And then look at the high temperatures by Monday, Tuesday. Finally dropping back into the low 80s with overnight lows in the 60s.